Is it orange? No, no, no. Is it yellow?
Yes, yes, yes!
It's a banana! Yay!
Banana, yellow and sweet. Banana, monkey's favorite treat. Banana, what can be even better? We all love this yummy fruit. What color is this?
Hey!
What color is that?
Ha!
Is it brown?
No, no, no.
Is it blue?
No, no, no.
Is it green?
Yes, yes, yes!
It's a pear?
Yay!
Pear, so plump and green. Pear, our fruity queen. Pear, it is so sweet and mellow. We all love this juicy fruit. What color is this?
Hey!
What color is that?
Ha!
Is it pink?
No, no, no.
Is it yellow?
No, no, no.
Is it purple?
Yes, yes, yes!
Is it a grape? Yay! Grape, purple pyramid yum. Grape, eating you is fun. Grape, juicy and sweet. We all love this pretty fruit. What color is this? Hey!
What color is that? Ha! Is it white?
No, no, no.
Is it black?
No, no, no.
Is it pink?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a cherry!
Yay! Cherry, little heart-shaped twins. Cherry with a stem between. Cherry, you're such a pretty berry. We all love this tiny fruit.
Rhino had a lamb, such a cute curly lamb. She was his best friend. They would walk hand in hand. We are walking together. I love you more. We play here and we play there. I'm so glad you're always here. Jasper had a bear, such a cute
So Koala was sleeping and hurt her toes. That's not what she was waiting for. Why does it hurt so bad? Now I am feeling sad. I am not playing anymore.
Baby, oh calm down now, nothing to worry about. You'll be fine and gonna play again. Let me examine you, I know what we should do. This will help you to relieve the pain.
I was playing with my car and I fall on my arm. That's not what I was waiting for. Why does it hurt so bad? Now I am feeling sad. I am not playing anymore. Baby, oh calm down now, nothing to worry about. You'll be fine and gonna play again. Let me examine you, I know what we should do. This will help you to relieve the pain. He was talking to me and he fell on his knee. That's not what he was waiting for. Why does it hurt so bad? Now I'm feeling sad. I am not playing anymore. Baby, oh calm down now, nothing to worry about. You'll be fine and gonna play again. Let me examine you, I know what we should do. This will help you to relieve the pain.
I was picking flowers, then a bee stung my head. That's not what I was waiting for. Why does it hurt so bad? Now I'm feeling sad.
What do you want
What do you want
to do when you grow up?
when you grow
What
up?
do you want
What do you want
to do when you grow up?
when you grow up?
When I grow up,
When I grow up,
I'm gonna be big and strong. I want to be a builder and sing this song.
What is the weather like today? Is it sunny, yeah or nay? What is the weather like? Tell me. Is it rainy? What do you see?
Blue skies and sunshine. Every day I'm gonna go outside and play butterflies all around. Sunny day, the sun is out to play. What is the weather like today? Is it cloudy, yay or nay? What is the weather like? Tell me. Is it gloomy? What do you see? Clouds and a gray sky. Foggy day, I'm gonna stay inside and wait, sticky snails around. Cloudy day, the sun is hiding today.
What is the weather like today? Is it stormy, yeah or nay? What is the weather like? Tell me. Is it windy? What do you see?
It's dark outside and gray. A cold day, I'm gonna stay inside and wait birds in their nest. Windy day, the sun is gone today.
What is the weather like today? Is it snowy, yeah or nay? What is the weather like? Tell me. Is it foggy? What do you see?
It's white outside and calm. Freezy day, I'm gonna go outside and play. Fun is all around. Snowy day, the snow is out to play.
Would you like some cake and tea? Is it ready? Let me see.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay?
Sure, we want tea and cake, but look, the kettle is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear. I made delicious cookies. I can take them out and see.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay?
Sure, we want some cookies, but look, the oven is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear.
Yummy, yummy soup for lunch, my friends like it very much.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay? Sure, we want tasty soup, but look, the cooker is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear. This candle looks beautiful. I want to play with the light.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay?
Sure, the candle is cool, but look, the fire is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear. I want Bautas to look great. Hurry before it's too late.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay? Sure, we want our bow ties, but look, the iron is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear.
My hair is so messy, I can't make them straight with these.
No, 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 watch out, hey, dear friend, are you okay?
Sure, you want to be pretty, but look, the straightener is too hot. You have to be careful, dear. Thank you, now it's clear.